Cockroaches are things that people absolutely hate. As you can see behind me, I've got a little entertainment area. I love having people over, friends, whatever, parties, pool, outside in the sun. Cockroaches come out when you least expect them, and they seem to make nests under little nooks and crannies. There's lots of little spots behind the pot plant and everything like that, and getting rid of them is an issue. But it hasn't been an issue since I've used EcoRad's cockroach killer. I promise you, easy to use. Open the packaging, pop the cap off, super easy, squirt it in and around where the cockroaches are, down little nooks and crannies where you can't get your fingers, or other gels and things like that. The cockroaches eat the gel, they disappear, no more problem. I would recommend this cockroach killer to any one of my friends that was looking for something. I've used other products that haven't worked as efficiently or as quickly. The cockroaches haven't come back, and when they do, I'm ready.